Nearly all of the major systems in our body depends on water. So it's really important to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. But a glass of juice or a can of fizzy soda is more satisfying and tempting than a glass of plain water. But we all know it's not good for our bodies. So today we present you 4 very easy infused water recipes that will improve your daily water intake while flushing out harmful toxins, helping you lose weight, feel more energetic, and also curb your soda and caffeine cravings. So let's begin.
First, we have apple and cinnamon infused water. Drinking a full glass of this before each meal gives you maximum benefit. This water has natural hint of sweetness and spice, which cuts down those cravings for sugar, which will help you lose weight. For this, I'm taking 4 to 5 apple slices. I'm adding few pieces of green apple for contrast in taste and color. And 2 cinnamon sticks. You can take more apple should you desire stronger apple flavor. But more cinnamon will be too strong. You can refill your cup throughout the day, but make sure not to reuse next day. Cinnamon helps balance blood sugar, improves brain function, and it's an antioxidant. And we all know an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Next we have cucumber, mint, and lemon water. For this, you need few slices of lemon, cucumber, few leaves of mint. You can add few more slices of cucumber and mint, but oils from lemon skin can make it bitter if you add too much lemon. This is very tasty and refreshing drink, which not only hydrates you and improves digestion, but also offers many detoxifying benefits. Lemon is a natural detoxifier, boosts immune system, and aids digestion. Mint helps with bloating and bad breath. Cucumber is antioxidant, and since it has 96% water content, it provides subtle flavor and hydration.
Now we have ginger, basil, lemon, and honey water. For this, we need about ½ inch piece of grated ginger. It infuses better grated, but you can add it whole or crushed. Couple of lemon slices, few basil leaves, and a dash of honey. Let it all sit and infuse with water for 3 to 4 hours, and like always, you can refill it all day. The ages-old tried and tested antioxidant properties of basil are said to work against stress and anxiety. And lemon is an excellent source of vitamin C, supporting your immune system. This water has medicinal properties. Ginger helps improve digestion, and combined with honey is a powerful remedy for congestion and common cold.
And last but not the least, we have chia seeds and lime. For this, you need a tablespoon of chia seeds for about 10 to 12 ounce glass of water. Few slices of lime, and I'm adding honey, but it's optional. Chia seeds need little time to completely absorb water, so this water will be ready in 10 to 15 minutes. Because chia seeds create gelatin-like effect when added to water or digested, they cleanse your guts by collecting toxins on their way out. It increases feeling of fullness and are also gluten-free. Good source of calcium and plant-based protein.
I have heard people recommending to infuse the water overnight, but in my personal experience, it only makes the flavor too strong or bitter. So few hours should be good enough. If you are drinking this on an empty stomach, we recommend a room temperature water, since drinking cold water on an empty stomach stresses your digestive system. Except for the chia seed water, you can refill your glass throughout the day to maximize the infusion and benefits of this water. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe, and see you soon with more videos. Stay healthy and blessed.